Each country's embrace of diversity rules possesses its own distinctive characteristics, providing us with a singular viewpoint on the unity practiced in other nations. One such example is found in the traditions and diversity rules observed in the Maldives. The Maldives, the world's smallest island nation, boasts a population of approximately 400,000 people. Renowned as an upscale holiday destination, it offers stunning beaches and pristine seas that are deemed ideal for premier marine tourism. However, many remain unaware that this country is inhabited by a 100% Islamic population. Islam took root deeply in the Maldives, with its origins tracing back to the early 12th century when the first Islamic Sultanate of the Maldives was established, in 1152. Since then, Islam has been the state religion, and the entire population of the Maldives adheres to Sunni Islam. A pivotal factor sets the Maldives apart as the sole nation globally with a 100% Muslim population. Article 9, Clause D of the country's constitution explicitly states, non-Muslims are not permitted to become citizens of the Maldives. Furthermore, the 1997 law governing elections in the Maldives stipulates that only Muslims possess the right to vote. This measure aims to safeguard the governmental system and uphold the Islamic identity of the Maldives. On July 26, 1965, the Maldives gained independence from the British Empire and declared itself as the world's only country, with a 100% Muslim population. Islamic law, known as Sharia law, or Shariatu in the Divahai language, serves as the fundamental legal framework that every Maldivian citizen must adhere to. The implementation of Islamic law is prominently felt in the nation's capital, Male, as well as its tourist islands. Shops consistently close 15 minutes prior to prayer time and reopen 15 minutes after the conclusion of prayers. However, beneath these distinctive facets, the Maldives does not exhibit hostility towards immigrants of different beliefs, recognizing that people of diverse religions and ethnicities mutually rely on one another. In fact, to safeguard the nation from radical ideologies, No Islamic figure is allowed to discuss Islam publicly without government approval. Only those granted authorization by the government are permitted to issue fatwas to the public. These rules are implemented by the Maldivian government to protect the country from radical ideologies that are deemed incompatible with the moderate principles upheld by Maldivian Muslims.